Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up separate ringtones for each SIM slot card in Motorola phone. So where to look for this option and how to set up our ringtones. So first of all we need to open settings. Then in settings we need to go to personalize. Then we are looking for sounds menu here, and here we have two SIM slots, and for each we can set up a separate ringtone. And as you can see right now, for SIM slot 1 we have the one, and for SIM slot 2 we have the other. That's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.